Okay, it's model time again. I just missed out on buying the Raven, but that's the price we pay. You know, we hold back our monies in order to get the one that we really want. I was actually going for a DC bombshell of uh, Mary's exam, but it was just too much too soon, and the price really went up to £60. And I went, no, I had to like take my offer off the table because you could get addicted to spending too much too soon and fall into debt. But again, there's these things about models that compel us to buy them. What it is, I've no idea. It's just something, again, I've said so many times, to show off to people what we like. Women love decorating and styling the house to their suits. Men, well, we just like daft toys. We'll never grow up. We'll never. We'll totally mentally be young. Uh, so yeah, so I'm looking at this model just now for Batgirl, and the Batgirl model it's another DC bombshell, but with a broken nameplate. And I'm thinking, I don't want to pay all that money for postage when I know it's going to come back with with a crap at with a wee crack at the front. But again, this is where you hee and haw. So this is the latest one. This is the DC Black Canary, and I got a reasonable good price. Again, these sort of models they can sometimes fetch for about 100 odd, 200 odd pound or something like that. And then when you get it, you suddenly realise this is just a piece of plastic. It's a piece of plastic. And it was second hand, and I was dubious about buying it because it was cheaper than everything else on the market. But again, it's the femininity that's all about it, and I was pleasantly surprised. The box was a wee bit damaged, but hey, I'm after the model itself, and it's captivating in so many ways. It's sexuality. It's when you look at it, you can tell that it's Black Canary. It's not one of these obscure pieces of art. And here we have the sonic boom which she's standing on. As you know, Black Canary has that sort of cry. And what I loved about it was that the stockings, the fishnet stockings, is real. It's fibre. It's not kind of painted on or anything like that. You could actually pull at it, which for me was a top selling point. And then again, you've got the line down at the back. Just puts me in the mind of World War Two when girls used to like paint the lines on the back of the legs. But no, I was quite happy with this. And what surprised me was it was screwed on. I felt like, did it come with this? I mean, it was already onto the base, so I don't know if the previous owner had somehow cemented it to the base. I have no complaints. Here's a sort of rough idea of how high it is, and I have a very big hand. It's yeah, I'm quite chuffed with it. Right now, I'm looking at. I mean, of course, I'm focusing on the face, the chest, the figure, the jacket. It just seems that bit more real. Well, thanks